Hi friends, hi fellow flyers, fellow Gwillians. It's 2023, time for that build off, fly off. Okay, I've just opened up my box. The bird dog. One of the things I like to do, I'm sharing my tips with you to hopefully you'll be successful to fly 20 seconds. That's our mission this contest, fly 20 seconds. That's all. If you fly more than that, that's wonderful. If you're flying, doing detailing it out, that's wonderful. That's all good. But only thing that matters, it don't have to be fully detailed out, is that you're successful for flying 20 seconds. Okay, after that, you will go into a drawing and we pick someone, you'll see how that works as it goes along, but there'll be a winner drawn from the hat or on a spin the wheel or whatever we do to get a number, and then that would be the winner that makes it into the 20-second pool. Okay, the first thing we want to do is we get our plans out and we study the wing. You want to know how many square inches of wing that you have. If you have a model that has 40 square inches, I don't know how it is, I've not measured mine, but if you have a model that has 40 square inches, when the model is completely done with the rubber in it, if it weighs 40 grams, you should be able to have a weight that will fly 20 seconds. If your model is heavier than that, then you still might fly 20 seconds. It's just that the model will have to fly faster. If you can make it lighter than that, the better off you are. The lighter it is, the slower it can float and glide. The heavier it is, the faster it has to fly to get the same aerodynamic results. Okay, I have weighed my wood. Usually when I get a kit, I want to pull out the wood, weigh it, and see how much it is. Mine came in at 24 grams, so the wood is really good. So I'll be losing some of that weight by taking away the pieces out of the box. So it's going to be, so far I'm really happy to see that weight. After you weigh a few kits, you get to get a kind of idea of what your end up result's going to be and where you can cut weight. This is Doyle Blevins. Thank you for being a part of this 2023 build off, fly off. This is shooting from the hip. I know editing, nothing except saying, hey, I'm giving a shout out to Brain Phillips RC. He got me hooked up with some of these mics, sharing with me some information there. Check out his videos. He does affiliate links where you can see something you like and then buy from his videos, and it helps him and his family for doing radio control stuff. Maybe he'll want to build with us too. But anyway, I'm not prepared to have anything scripted, so I hope I'm not repeating myself too many times. Hope everybody has fun with this build. Keep your post under this post so we are all staying together on our build, so everybody's ain't all over the place. And then once you have you're built and you're fine, I will create an official flight page for that, and everybody can put their flights on that page. By doing this, I let everybody know you're also agreeing that at the end, I can compile everybody's video together and make one video that I will share on YouTube, plus people on Facebook, or the Facebook I Fly AMA. And I'm not monetized. This is not a monetized thing. It's totally for fun, totally for free, totally for educational purposes. I said maybe I was getting out of that, but I found out free flight is not federally regulated. Free flight is just fun and educational, and I don't have to jump through all these little hoops to get to enjoy my hobby. I'm thrilled about that. Thank you, AMA. Thank you, everybody that put in what needed to be done to keep free flight just simple fun. Thank you, folks. Put your post below this one. Another big shout out to Brain Phillips RC. Check out his videos if you want to give a comment. Tell him Doyle sent him there to harass him a little bit. No, no, not to harass, but anyway, thanks guys. Have a lovely build and keep it light and keep it flying. Oh yeah, one more thing, read all your plans. You won't make a lick of sense, but go over them, try to study them out, Then measure square inches on your wing here. If your wing, I know may be digressing a little bit or whatever, but I just want to make that known. You want your model to be able to fly. You're not building a boat or a car. You got to keep it light. Your wing area gives you the maximum weight to try to fly 20 seconds. If you get over your 1 inch per square, as a rule of thumb, 1 inch equals a gram of payload. So try to keep that in mind when you're building. You can measure all your wing. You can say, I got a 40-gram airplane. I need to build this plane under 40 grams because you got 40 square inches. I'm not saying it's 40 grams. I've not measured it yet. I have no idea. So measure your wing to know the weight of your model when it is ready to fly. Thank you, guys. That's step one. Have a lovely day. Bye.